Are you looking to visually represent your website data with some handy customizable options? Team Happy Addons has introduced the Pie and Doughnut Chart widget to let you do that smoothly and efficiently. With this widget, you can show all the stats of your website in a more stylish and smart way. Also, some exclusive features and options will help you make extraordinary designs for your charts. To get started, you need to install and activate the plugins below. Install and activate the free version of Elementor and Happy Addons. And then, purchase the premium version of Happy Addons to use the widget. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification icon to get time-to-time updates. Let's get started. Find the widget and add it to your preferred area. After you add the widget, you can see the default view of the widget. Here you can set two types of charts. The pie chart is already selected, so you can change it to the donut chart. Let's see the customizing options one by one. Click on the red item. Here you can change the label name and percentage. Also, you can change the style of each item. Change the label color. Hover color. Do the same thing for other labels. Now, click on the Settings tab and adjust the chart height. Enable or disable the tooltip. Show or hide the title. Legend. And position the legend. Enable or disable the reverse. Set the animation speed. Easing. And animation scale. Tap on the Style section, and here you can stylize the common, legend, and tooltip. Click on the common, and you can adjust the padding, border, and hover color. Again, click on the legend and adjust the box width and typography. Lastly, click on the tooltip option to change its padding, border width, radius, caret size, mode, background and border color, title typography, and body typography. You can also add some advanced effects and functions to the advanced section. After designing both of the charts, the final design will look like this one. You can also test your design's responsiveness to different moods. Also, you'll get individual styling options for each mode. You can check them out here. So this is how you can use the Pie and Doughnut Chart widget on your WordPress site to showcase data or any statistics you want. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe and follow our social channel for more information and regular tutorial videos like this one. Stay tuned!